Hello everyone, this is Matty, and in this lesson we want to learn how to compare two different things. Let's start by learning some adjectives. First, look at this animal. What animal is this? It's an elephant. An elephant. An elephant is big. It's a big animal. Look at this animal. It's a frog. A frog. A frog is small. Big, small. Look at Jack. Jack is tall. And look at Joe. Joe is short. Tall, short. Look at this house. This house is clean. This house is clean. Look at the other house. It's not clean. It's dirty. Clean, dirty. It's dirty. If you wash your hands, they become wet. Wet. If you take a towel and dry your hands, they become dry. Wet, dry. My bedroom is cold. It's cold. But outside is hot. It's hot. Cold, hot. Now, these 10 adjectives are short adjectives. They are small adjectives. Big, small, tall, short, wet, dry, cold, hot, clean, dirty. These are short or small adjectives. Look at these two cars. Look at these two cars. This car is big. This car is also big. But the first car is bigger than the second car. One car is bigger than the second car. What does it mean? Is bigger than? This is a comparison. Comparison. Look at this animal. It's a horse. It's a horse. The horse is tall. Look at this other animal. It's a giraffe. A giraffe. A giraffe is also very tall. Which one is taller? The giraffe is taller than the horse. The giraffe is tall, the horse is tall, but the giraffe is taller than the horse. How do you make a comparison between two things? How? It's very easy. You just need to use the verb be, which is am, is, are, plus the short adjective plus plus than. And that's it. Giraffe is taller than horse. Horse is shorter than a giraffe. A giraffe is taller than a horse. A horse is shorter than a giraffe. To be adjectiver than. It's very easy. Look at this house. It's clean. Look at the other house. It's also clean, but the second house is cleaner than the first house. Is cleaner than. Sweden is cold. Finland is also cold, but which one is colder? Finland is colder than Sweden. What about Sweden? Sweden is hotter than Finland. Look at this car. It's a Lamborghini. And look at the other car. It's a Ferrari. A Lamborghini is faster than a Ferrari. A Ferrari is slower than a Lamborghini. So guys, that was comparison between two things for short adjectives. But what about long adjectives? What are long adjectives? Let's learn some long adjectives. I love SpongeBob cartoon. I love it. Why? Because it's interesting. I love it. It's interesting. Oh my God, look at this animal. It's a snake. A snake. Snakes are dangerous. Snakes are dangerous. Look at this car. It's very expensive. A lot of money. It's very, very expensive. I like my chair. It's very comfortable. It's comfortable. I love my chair. Look at this man. He's Bill Gates. He is very rich. He gives a lot of money to poor people. He is generous. He's generous. Last week, I didn't remember my friend's name. I didn't remember his name. What's your name? And I was embarrassed. I was embarrassed. Sorry, I don't remember your name. Now, how do you make a comparison between two things using long adjective? It's a little bit different, but still, it's very easy. Look at these two animals. A snake, a lion. A snake, a lion. Snakes are dangerous. Lions are also dangerous, but lions are more dangerous than snakes. Pay attention. How do you make it? It's again very easy. For long adjectives, you should say more adjective than. Remember, for the short adjectives, we said adjective than, big than. For long adjectives, we say more adjective than. For example, lions are more dangerous than snakes. Look at these two cars, a Lamborghini and a Ferrari. A Lamborghini is more expensive than a Ferrari. Look at these two chairs. Both of them are comfortable, but the first chair is more comfortable than the second chair. More comfortable than. In the party, I didn't remember my friend's name. My sister also didn't remember her friend's name. I was embarrassed. My sister was embarrassed, but I was more embarrassed than my sister. More embarrassed than. So guys, this is how you make comparison between two things. For short adjectives, you should use this structure. Be adjective than. Elephant is bigger than a horse. A horse is smaller than an elephant. And for long adjectives, you should use be more adjective than. For example, Lamborghini is more expensive than a Ferrari. So, which one is easier? Math or English? Which one is more interesting? Math or English? I think English is easier than math. And I think English is more interesting than math. And that is the end of today's lesson.